Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing the S90 drone and the DJI Mini 3. Both of these drones offer unique features and capabilities, but which one is the best choice for you? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The S90 drone is priced at $99, making it a budget-friendly option for those who are just getting started with drones. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 comes in at $798, which is a significant investment for drone enthusiasts looking for advanced features and capabilities. Now let's talk about the camera capabilities of these drones. The S90 drone is equipped with a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. With this camera, you can enjoy real-time live video from a bird's-eye perspective on your smartphone or tablet. It also allows you to capture and store beautiful aerial scenery on your device. The DJI Mini 3 takes it up a notch with its stunning 4K HDR video capabilities. You can capture crystal-clear aerial shots with details in both highlights and shadows, even in low-light conditions. It also offers true vertical shooting, perfect for capturing tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. Flight time and portability are essential factors to consider when choosing a drone. The S90 drone offers up to 26 minutes of flight time with its included modular batteries. Its foldable design makes it compact and portable, perfect for outdoor traveling. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 takes the lead with an impressive battery life of up to 38 minutes. This extended flight time allows you to capture more footage without worrying about the battery running out. Additionally, the Mini 3 is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry on your adventures. Both drones offer a range of additional features that enhance the flying experience. The S90 drone has multiple control options, including remote control, app control, voice control, and gravity control. It also offers various professional stunts and maneuvers, such as 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. The DJI Mini 3 comes with quick shots, allowing you to choose dynamic flight patterns and capture stunning views with ease. It is also resistant to winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, ensuring a stable flight even in challenging weather conditions. Additionally, the Mini 3 is regulation-friendly, weighing under 249 grams and exempt from registration or exams. The S90 drone is better than expected for its price, with excellent battery life, easy setup, responsive remote control, and impressive camera quality. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 is praised for its high-quality camera, stability in high winds, and longer flight time. It also receives positive reviews for its usability and features in the DJI Fly app. And there you have it, the comparison between the S90 drone and the DJI Mini 3. While the S90 drone offers affordability and multiple control options, the DJI Mini 3 stands out with its superior camera capabilities, longer flight time, and additional features like quick shots. Ultimately, the choice between these drones will depend on your budget and specific needs. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter buying decisions. See you next time.